Yes, Massive and Crew back once again with another video, and I just want to take a minute to say thank you very much. We've hit 3,000 subs now and counting. Couldn't have done it without all your feedback, all your comments. It's really good that you guys have shown this channel so much love, and you know, do keep on continuing to post the videos into the forums, share them with your friends on social media, you know, follow us Instagram, Facebook, etc. It's really great. So today we're going to just answer a few questions, and I just want to let you know that I've just finished the remix for Junglist Records, Never Can Say Goodbye. So check out the link in the description, go check that one out. Excuse me, you can hear my voice, I've got a bit of the old flu. Gonna get on the ginger and the lemon, gonna make myself one of them concoctions, man, that just get rid of the flu real quick. And yeah, comment down below if you want me to share that ingredients there with you, yeah. Also, just seen on the old, on the official Jungle Wars 2018 official sound group, says, when is the Busy Bee versus Remark battle now? I don't know where you guys have got that from, mate, but you know what I mean? That's like putting me in the ring as Colin McGregor and Remark in the ring as Mike Tyson, right? Have you ever heard, right, the amount of dub plates that guy's got? It's easier for me to tell you what dub plates he hasn't got more than the dub plates he has got, yeah. Remark, let me just say now, yeah, Remark is a dub plate king, yeah, and he would just play all night, bare dub after dub after dub. I've heard that man play, so don't even try and get me involved in that one, mate. I ain't going there. But I will say big up to the Jungle Wars group, all the people in that, looking like it's bubbling quite well. Someone did also approach me about doing a dub challenge, mate. It's taken me about a year to produce 2 remixes, yeah, for junglistrecords.com, and also involving around the channel, this, that and the other. I can't even get involved with that. I know a lot of you budding producers are hungry and, you know, and up and coming, you're looking for people to channel, but please don't send me no messages asking me to do no challenges, because now's your time. At the end of the day, what we're going to do, I'll pull out a few of the brain archives, we can get some remixes going, we can get some remix competitions going, and you guys can be a part of having a challenge to see who can bust up one of my tunes. I'll upload some samples somewhere on the site, you guys can download them, and you guys can have a remix challenge, and be brilliant to see what you guys are all about and who can do the most smashing of one of my beats. Comment down below if you think that's a good idea. Just quick response to a few comments. Memory Lane Cinema says, hi Brian, I hope you can comment on this. I'm from Norway and I grew up with raves in the early 90s with DJ TB and K Polar. The scene came very early to Bergen and the outskirts. I bought so much music even though I was 14 in 94. I loved the scene and it was really devoted. Sadly, I lost interest in the late 90s when everyone went techstep DMB. I love the jungle scene and you and Pugwash were one of the best. Do you feel that techstep and the disappearance of jungle hurt the scene? Right guys, I wouldn't say that techstep hurt the scene. Techstep was kind of like really advanced music for its time when it came out, so it was a bit of a shock to some people. But at the end of the day, good music is good music and everyone has different tastes. So therefore, if techstep is something that you like and you're into, then you're gonna love it. Same as you'd love jump up, same as you'd love jungle. You know, maybe if you're banging into the jungle, you might not like the techstep so much, and maybe if you bang into the techstep, you might not like the jungle. So it's different strokes for different folks. But what makes it diverse and makes us all unite is the fact that there's always something there for everyone. And me as a producer, I'm not just a jungle producer, I like all different types of music. That's what keeps it interesting for me. Sometimes I'm going down to like 135, you know, hand up, I've made garage. Second Protocol Bass Lick was an iconic garage tune, still being played today. One of my biggest sellers to date. 58,000 records sold and landed us in the Guinness Book of World Records. I do jungle because I love it, you know, and I will always, you know, be into jungle and always look to produce jungle. Hand up, I've made R&B, I've made hip hop, had a go at all kinds of music, and for me that's what's kept the flavour going over the years. So diversity, I think, is important in the music industry, because it's, as a whole, it is music. You know, as I say, you know, don't keep all your eggs in one basket, experiment, try different things. You know, you might actually enjoy it, and then, you know, come back to jungle. You know, as I say, jungle is my love, man. I'm bang into it. But as a studio engineer working for people, I used to hire my studio out to people, and I used to, you know, help them build tracks and stuff. And you know, as you're hearing more, the more you hear something, you like it. It's like when you first went out to a jungle dance, you know, or a rave. Like you maybe you wasn't even into the music and you were sort of standing there like that. But then after a few nights of going, or after, you know, sometime in that week, you probably hear a tune that you heard at a club and think, rah, that tune, yeah, that was bad. Or some people go to a dance and they don't like any tunes apart from one or two. Next thing you know, it's that one or two tune that they hear that actually gets them into the scene. So diversity is the key, peeps. So I hope that answers your question. I think the most important message here is just stick to what you love, stick to what you know. Music evolves naturally, and just let it evolve, you know. Don't try to dictate what music comes next. Let the music find its next step. You know, it came from hip house, acid house, hardcore, happy hardcore, then jungle. You know, that was kind of like the evolution of it. So let the music take its own progression. You hear about a lot of clubs trying to dictate what music the DJ should play. Let the DJs play their music that they enjoy. Let the music progress how it's meant to progress, naturally. And then that way there's no problems. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As I said, lots more stuff coming, lots more uploads coming your way. Take care, God bless, peace.